welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, I did a full in-depth review on the Canyon Purple Jordan 4. And I guess a lot of y'all don't see what I see. Canyon, Cactus, Travis, forget it, man. But the sneaker's so different. Purple, alligator green, safety orange, that I had a style. Now, a lot of these styles might be, a little too much for you, but it's gonna be fire. Let's get it. Now, since it's being compared to the Cactus Jack, Travis Scott, Jordan 4 a lot, let's start with Cactus Jack. This right here is the Astroworld Fortnite Travis Scott hoodie. Now, you see the front. Is it Fortnite or was this PlayStation? I think it was Fortnite. So yeah, there go the front right there. You got like a basketball, right? A smiley face. And it's that same green that's inside the Jordan 4s mixed with that purple around it. I think you even got a little bit of safety orange right there on the side. And then it got that brown melatonin colorway. So this is a perfect match, guys. In the back, you have big purple Astroworld, big font, Fortnite, a whole bunch of graphics down there. So yeah, we starting off with fire. Let's stay in Travis Scott, another one, just the Astronomical Tea. That green is really not the green that's inside the sneaker, but then you go with more purple, brown. It's a match, guys. Trust me. This is a match. The green is a little off, but it really doesn't matter, man. I like this shirt also to match the Jordan 4 Canyon Purple. Going to my good friends at Kiff. This is the Kiff Dunk Hunt Tee. Long time ago Monday program. Maybe 5 years ago. But if you look closely, you got that purple and you got that safety orange. It's a small logo on the front, but the back has it huge. So again, you got that safety orange, and then you got the purple inside the ducks. Super dope. The duck head is even green too. Again, not the same green, but you kind of get the picture there. You might could get this on third party, but this is a long time ago. But a perfect match. I know in the front you just see a Supreme logo and it's black, so of course it match. But you get to the back and there go Greta. And she has that green. She is like an alligator, the alligator green. And it's a little purple in her eyes and on her back. As you see, dead on match, guys. Again, when I did the review with Supreme, I think it was week 5, I said I didn't like that the graphic was in the back of the shirt. I wish it was in the front. But either or, it's still matched. You could get this T StockX Gold. Maybe if you got a local Supreme in your city, you still get it for retail. But if not, maybe like $7, $10 over retail. Maybe like $50, $60. The Greta T Supreme. Back to Cactus Jack. And you see the purple. Notice it's not the purple in the Canyons, but it's a good match. The back has Travis Scott hand with a bust down Rolex, iced out, and then he's in that green sauce. So you see the purple, you see the green. It's a match, guys. This is from the McDonald's collection. Like I told y'all, a lot of stuff is still available for that McDonald's collection third party for the low. It was a dope collab, but they just made a whole bunch of stuff. This is the front of the shirt. You got the cactus sauce there. Again, green, purple. But the back does the justice, guys. talk about a steal and a match. This shirt here is from Five Below, and it is $5, guys. A classic OG Spider-Man comic cover on your tee. You see you got the purple there, but if you go all the way down, you even got the green from the bad guy Spider-Man has. Who is this bad guy? I don't know. Random villain. But the match is perfect. I know it's gray hair, but if you know style, you know style. Now, as far as that Alligator Green, that green is a hard match. I got a Yankee hat with that green in it, but it's blue. It's like blue with green, didn't match. The closest thing far as like a crew neck or a hoodie I seen to that green was the Seafoam Essentials. As you see, the green is like a paled out green. Doesn't have the paint print, but that green is like the match I see. And you can still get this Pac Sun, depending on sizing, you can still find the Seafoam colorway. Pac Sun in Essence. I used to say Sense. Somebody told me in the comment section below it's pronounced Essence. Thanks for that, man. But yeah, as far as the Alligator Green and that Jordan 4 Canyon, this is like the closest green I've got. But getting back to the colors is the Bape Fresh Prince crew neck. You got that green a little bit in it. You got the purple and a little bit of safety orange thanks to the Bape. The back has the Bape logo there. All white crew neck. A lot of purple. This is still around. Little pricey though, but you can get it Gold StockX. Just look up the Fresh Prince Bape. They even got a tee. The tee definitely is cheaper. I see that cactus there, right? When I did my review of the Canyon 4 purples, I said it remind me of Phoenix Suns with the safety orange and the purple. And these are the Phoenix Sun shorts, but not quite. These are the Mitchell & Ness All-Star shorts that was in Phoenix that year. So that's why you got the cactus on the waistline and, you know, some All-Star designs on the side. And right here, Eastern Conference patch there because the Eastern Conference wore the purple. But you got the safety orange. You got some green. You got a cactus. Mitchell & Ness. Mitchell & Ness always has a sale. As soon as you go to mitchellandness.com and ask you to get 15% off by just putting your email and I think your phone number. So I think retail fees are like $120, 15% off. Should be at least under $100 minus shipping and all that. I like these Milwaukee Bucks shorts for the purple, but the green is definitely Boston Celtic green and not that Alligator Green. But I think you can still get away with it if you're just lounging, you know, nothing spectacular. But the purple on the Milwaukee Bucks definitely reminds you of the Canyon purple look. It's just the green that's a little off. This is also Mitchell & Ness and retails $80. So this is cheaper than the All-Star joints. I'm just not sold on the green, man. But yeah, $80, man. You can't go wrong. Milwaukee Bucks. Plus, they just won the championship like last year. Well, not last year. You know, the year before Golden State. Milwaukee Bucks. Let's try some hats. Now, that purple is weird. Like, we never heard of Canyon purple. But this hat right here is by Hat Club, and Hat Club's been killing. I say that almost every video I show a hat. This is the Fruity Pebbles or Fruit Pack, and this is all purples. A lot of purples, guys. You got your light purple here. I guess like a mid purple around. There go your grape there. World Series patch is even purple. So it got to be a match. And you got a little green there. Of course it's not the green. That Alligator Green is too hard. Y'all know I'm a Laker fan. And not only is this Laker, forget the gold, guys. You got your palm tree there. The palm tree here has to be like a little bit of that green somehow, some way. But you do have the purple. I know it's yellow, but maybe we got to mix some yellow in there. It's the Lakers. You're not going to have Lakers without yellow in it. This is Mitchell & Ness. No, this is just a new era cap. Retail $45. And retail on the Hat Club joint is $50. See, even a different purple on the brim. This is a crazy grape hat. Y'all just don't know how hard I was trying to match this green, man. Yes, sir. So this has been a Hatter style on the Canyon Purple Jordan 4. Yo, dope sneaker. I just wish the suede wasn't that abrased, but I guess they had to really make it not look like that Travis Scott PE we seen years ago. But yo, this is a dope sneaker, man. We still waiting on a restock. This is like the only Jordan that came out this year that hasn't restocked. Well, they've restocked, just not big sizes. This is one that's like being slowed down on, like, nah, no restock here. Let me know in the comment section below if you was able to cop this. Let me know if you need help trying to find anything I showed in this video today. Thank you for watching. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.